I am Preetham. Today I am here to explain and give some information about Indus Valley civilization. And this Indus Valley civilization began 8,000 years ago, and it is one of the most earliest civilization in our country, India. And this Indus Valley civilization is divided into two major cities. Those are Harappa and Mohenjo-daro, and this civilization is also known as Harappan culture. These cities were developed about 4,700 years ago. These people started building the walls with the burnt and high quality bricks for their protection. And the location of Harappa and Mohenjo-daro are Harappa and Mohenjo-daro both are located beside the Indus River. You can see here. Now it is in Pakistan, but before our independence, at that time it was in India. How Harappa was found? It was found when British people were started to construct railway lines. To construct the railway lines, the British started digging the ground, and at that time they found these walls, and from that time they started digging the ground and they got the wall like this. At 4,700 years ago only, they started to construct like these walls. And the archaeologists also got these old pots all in that Harappa cities. And raw materials, there were many raw means ornaments, vessels got in Harappa and Indus Valley civilization. And we got copper, and the Harappans got copper and tin from Rajasthan. You can see here there is a copper like vessel. There is a copper thing here, which this copper was brought from Rajasthan. You may have the doubt that how we got these ornaments. We got some ornaments like this. In the skeleton, we got some ornaments wearing like this. Raw materials brought. We get copper and tin from Rajasthan, and they used to get the copper and tin from Afghanistan to make the bronze. They used to mix the tin and copper to make the bronze. And gold from Karnataka. Here from Karnataka only they used to get the gold and make vessels and ornaments. From gold they used to make vessels and ornaments. Irrigation methods and tools. They used some tools to irrigate the fields. And first point, they used the tool like plow to dig the ground and turning the soil, and they planted the seeds. And they used to provide water to crops by flood and rainfall. These were the tools used for irrigation and also for their protection. Mohenjo-daro. About Harappa we got, and now about Mohenjo-daro. This Mohenjo-daro is also a city beside the Indus River, and there is a wall which divided the Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. And in Mohenjo-daro there was also a swimming pool which was made by burnt bricks plastered with the natural tar, and also it was having the rooms and steps. This swimming pool was called as the Great Bath. We will call it as swimming pool in English, and we are calling it the separate word, that is a Great Bath. And the photo of the Great Bath is this. It is having steps, rooms they didn't give. Next, this Great Bath was constructed 4,000 years ago, and the Great Bath was only for the important persons in the city. And 4,700 years ago only, they have like these drain systems, and each and every house was having clean drain system. Now the Harappan cities, now we are having drain system, but 4700 years ago only they invented this drain system. The Harappan cities were very clean because each and every house was having a proper drain system, and each and every house was having a separate washroom, and they also have underground drains. Cities having machines. Machines means not like our machines, means for protection. Means the Kalibangan and Lothal were two important cities, and they were the two cities having the fire altars. Two types of peoples in Harappa. There are two types of peoples. Those are farmers and herders, and hunters and gatherers. Farmers and herders, they must be in the same place to maintain the crops, and farmers and herders does not live in the cities. They live out of the cities, and they will irrigate the fields, and most of them feed on plant products. And hunters and gatherers, they can move from place to place, and farmers and herders cannot, because they need to maintain the crops, and the crops need proper maintenance, proper watering the water, and they need to riding off the animals. And hunters and gatherers, they used to feed on the meat, and hunters and gatherers were like nomads. Ending of Indus Valley Civilization. Indus Valley Civilization was ended. Why, we don't have the specific reason, but there are different types of people say the different types of reasons. Some people say that because of the heavy flood of the Indus River, this Indus Valley Civilization was destroyed, and the reason of heavy climatic changes like tsunami, some drought, like some flood, like that only, some changes in the climate it may be destroy the Indus Valley Civilization. And problem of drainage and diseases. If they will not clean the drainage regularly, those drainage systems may create many diseases. And like that only, like our COVID-19 disease, that time also one disease, it may come and ended the Indus Valley Civilization.